Hey everyone, it's Todd Bachman back with you at the Pella Showroom here in Chesterfield. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the benefits of a fiberglass door. Now, choosing a door is one of the most important decisions you may make with your home, so it's important to go with a door that's going to be reliable and going to be long-lasting for you, and fiberglass is one of those options. It's actually been gaining a lot of popularity over the past few years, and that's really no surprise because fiberglass is a material that won't rot, so the maintenance on the door is a lot less than a traditional wood door. It's strong and durable. It can be either stained or painted, which gives the homeowner different design options to choose from. An insulated fiberglass door is more energy efficient than a wood or steel door, and it also comes with glass packages if you're looking at letting in some natural light. So the next time you're thinking about replacing your front door, go ahead and look into a fiberglass door. It might be the right choice for your home. Thanks for watching and have a great day.